Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It has been a while since we made a video, and yeah, it is. We got so much snow. Let me go to a spot where we didn't. I am not sure if this is my first video, but I am filming on a GoPro, and oh, look how deep it is here. I'm just kidding, I'm on these. And I don't remember the last time that we had this much snow. I am filming on my GoPro. I don't know if it's my first video on it or second, but I know I haven't made a video on this in a long time. I know I haven't made any videos in a long time. But do you want to go to that tree over there? All right, let's go. We're gonna go to this tree. We did film a video here before, but it was like a long time ago. So we're gonna, okay. And these things are waterproof. I already checked to make sure we can film this. So, holy crap. I've not been back here, ouch, in a long time. Oh, shoot. Okay. I haven't been back here in a long time.
Maybe there's ice down there.
Maybe.
There's not ice, but there's a tree.
Yo, hold on. Yo, so much. Ouch. Ouch. Ugh. Ah. Ouch. I fell. And this thing came out of the snow and stabbed me in the leg. Yeah, just give me a second. Yeah. That hurt bad.
Watch out, watch out!
Be careful. So I just fell and impaled myself on that. I'm fine. This thing better be okay, because there's a lot of snow on here. It should be alright though. What I've been trying to say is this looks like a nice fort under here. Let me go under there. Oh crap. Ow, I hit my head. Oh, stop. Stop, Jackson. Stop, Jackson. Jackson, stop.
Was that?
No, it just looked like snow falling. Stop, I said multiple times.
Why are you freezing?
Huh?
You're like standing there.
Let me make sure there's no... Look at how much snow. That's like a lot.
How much is a lot?
That's like at least a foot. This is sketchy because we have so much more. We have so much more snow than we did last time we did this. So it's
And
like,
last time we did this, I got something in my eye, so.
yeah, he was like hitting that tree there and got something in his eye.
I want to go on this tree. Wait, you know the bear that's here? What if it's hibernating under there?
It won't be. That's too small of an area. shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Huh.
I was falling, but I'm good now. Yo, that was good.
You did that on purpose.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You're so fat and you broke that.
No, that was just a dead log. Ow! Dude. Yo. Oh my gosh.
Huh.
I fell and like, that was sketchy. Trying to fix my thing. That was like,
Look at that tree.
don't poke my eye out. It has been so long since we filmed the video. Alright, I don't know what to do.
It's been like a couple of months.
I think we haven't filmed one since we went to Hershey of last year. And it's 2026. And it's almost the end of January in 2026. This place is sketch. I'm gonna walk over there and go on that log. Don't fall. That's just all I'm gonna do in my head is tell myself, don't fall. Don't fall. I was like, I want to get over there. Just gotta grab on to anything you can, really. And then it's simpler. Okay. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot. What do you see?
I thought it was a deer over there, but it's just a squirrel. The branch is moving.
I don't know if I can zoom in on this. Oh my. I'm going across there and then out to, huh? Yeah, just walk across. Oh shoot, I almost fell. Huh? I almost fell. It's very noisy. I'm gonna try and walk across this if I can. See, I don't know. Oh, kind of. It's cool. Got thorn bush there. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna chill here. Oh. That's what we're looking at. Got a nice view down there. We got a view up there. There's our house. There's Jackson. The highway. Neighbor's house is behind us. But yeah, comment down below any videos ideas. One of the main reasons we haven't been posting is just because we're I think we already did that though. One of the main reasons we aren't posting is because like we just completely have ran out of ideas. I'm trying to think as much as I can. I just can't think of anything to do. I think we already did that though. We already did charades. Maybe.
Probably like that.
Maybe. What the heck?
I can't hold my stick. Can't get back up. it up.
What do you mean you can't get up? Here, I can move and you can... Here, I'm putting your stick here. Jackson, I put your stick here. Right there. I'm gonna get out.
Oh, what? I'll push you off.
You better not push me off. Imagine I break it when I sit on the end. Imagine I break it when I sit on the end. He didn't hear me. It did snap. Holy crap. Oh, oh. You're a mean person. Go check out. Checking out what's back here. Shoot. Wonder if
Anything in there?
I don't see anything. I wonder if anything lives in there. Probably not. I'm gonna go up here. Good. Ah! Got it. There we go. Oh, crap. Shoot. In the summer, we are going to be doing a lot of stuff outside. Okay. Alright. Well, that's probably going to be the end of this one. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Peace.
Peace.
Have anything you want to say?
Comment down below like video ideas, and if you comment charades part 3, we'll do it.
Peace. I can't end the thing. Oh, I gotta take one.